Hello guys, today I will show you how to make fresh tortillas at home.
Beauty!
Start by adding 3 cups of flour into a bowl. And add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt into the flour. Swirl with a fork. Now for the wet ingredients, mix 1 whole cup of water and 1/3 cup of melted butter. Let's melt our butter. Now the butter is melted, so let's add it in. Now pour 1 cup of water. Out with a fork. Form a shaggy mess like this. In there with your hands and start kneading. For 5 to 10 minutes. Just too wet, just add some water. When you're finished kneading, roll it into smooth dough. Just like this. Let it rest for 40 to 60 minutes. When the dough is well rested, you have to roll it up. Melt as thin as you can. Now I'm gonna make a mini tortilla for my mini dog, Mia. Now turn on the stove and we're gonna cook our tortilla. Don't add anything to the pan, like no oil, no butter, and it has to be ripping hot. So that they stay warm. Any large rolls appear just pop. Serve with butter and salt.
Beauty!
That's good, but we have a taste tester. Is it approved? That seems like an approved to me. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. I really do appreciate it, and I read all of them. Thank you.